you feel annoyed due to dull chargers and messy data lines in your gaming room? Do you need a fully functional and ambient-filled charger? The world's first table-level game charger of REDMAGIC. Let me introduce you a charger tailored for game enthusiasts. The REDMAGIC charger is more compact and can be a good replacement for traditional laptop adapters. With 150 watts power, 2 USB-C ports, support PD 3.1, maximum output 140 watts, a USB-A port, REDMAGIC charger can meet the charging requirements of laptop, pad, mobile phone, headphones, watch, and other devices. Able to charge 4 devices at the same time. It is also equipped with a DC charging connector for the laptop, mainly for game player, which can provide a maximum power transmission of 150 watts for game player. REDMAGIC charger is equipped with an AC adapter cable, which can be extended to the desktop through an extension cable, which will make your desktop more concise. Just separate the charger and adapter when go out. REDMAGIC charger is equipped with a 1.5-inch TFT full-color screen through which users can view the charging power of each connector. If you want to enhance the ambiance of your gaming table, just tap the touch switch on the side to switch to the dynamic screen effect. Users can change the live wallpaper through the #1 Player app, which could integrate your charger and other gaming devices. REDMAGIC charger adopts the design style of cyberpunk with fully transparent design and a high thermal metal appearance for the interior usage, which is easier to direct the temperature to the outside. At the same time, it can provide the personalized color and dynamic effect adjustment of RGB lights. You may feel like you are in the esports competition scene with all these esports elements, such a subversive desktop charger. Make your desktop more cool